All right, so we're going to be looking at reorder paragraphs, practice number 14. Now, with this one right here, we've talked about this rule before, the rule with the word even. Now, just a reminder, when we're dealing with even, it means we're looking at multiple examples, and the example with the word even will be the last example. I'm not saying it's going to be the last sentence. Maybe, but I know it's going to be the last example. So you're going to have multiple examples talking about the same thing. And even will be the last one. So it would be a good idea if we read this sentence to see what they are talking about. Political parties adopted animals to represent them. Okay, this is the example. So, what we want to be looking out for is what else do political parties adopt to represent them? That's one. Or it could be other parties, other businesses, other entities adopting animals, basically using animals to represent them. Okay, so that's what we want to look out for as examples. So if we look at the top first, this one, it does talk about animals. But here is saying, it doesn't say anything about companies, entities, other political parties adopting animals to represent them or animal names to represent them. So this one, not really. So I'll take the lines off. This one right here actually says, for instance. For instance is another way to say, for example. So this might be one of them. Ah, look at that. Professional sports teams using tigers, rams. In Sydney, we got the swans, right? Sports teams use animals to represent them. There you go. That is just like political parties using animals to represent them. Okay? And then let's go to we have also here, cars are given names. Cars are given names. Yes, they are. The first name that comes to mind, the Ford Mustang. Mustang is a horse, in case you didn't know. You see how they use an animal to represent the car. Yes, because it associates them with speed and grace. There you go. And then the last one here, it's going back to talk about your mother asking you not to act like an animal. No. So I would say these three sentences are talking about the same examples. Something using animals to represent them. Wouldn't you agree? So now I know even is going to be the last one out of those. Okay? Out of these three sentences. Let's just call them A's. A for animal. Okay? So I don't know the order yet, but because this one right here starts with, for instance, I would assume that is the lead-off example because you're telling people this is the example. And then we have the next one that says also. Even needs to be the last one. So we have our sequence, A1, A2, A3. These three, I don't know where they belong in the entire paragraph, but I know these three cannot be separated. And we have 2 points from this. All right. So what we're not going to do is we're not going to say, maybe I can put this before. Or, maybe I can put this after. No, because we already know the sequence here. Now, the next step would be from apples and oranges. Why? Because I know this sentence right here talks about mother. And I know this sentence right here talks about mother. So, with apples and oranges, remember, the same topic needs to stick together. So now here, because we know these three need to stay together, right? We cannot separate these three. We're going to either move them up or move them down. Now, can we ever start a brand new paragraph with an example? For instance, absolutely not. So what that means is we're going to take these three sentences and move them down. So I'm going to bring this up. Oops. I just changed the order. Let me just move this up. Here we go. So yeah, here we go. Back to the original 3, right? I moved them down here. So now we have mother up here. Apples and oranges. Topics separated. Now let's take a look to see which one of these will go first. What mother did not realize is that much of the world, okay, when you were younger, your mother, I would assume this is the beginning. When you were younger, your mother cautioned you not to act like an animal. Okay, so it's going back to the beginning when you were younger. And then now here's talking about what mother did not realize is that the world holds animals in high regards. So we think highly of animals. This is the order I believe we should put it in. And I hope that helps.